That's the dumpster. Don't touch it. I think it's the recycling bin, but it's by the dumpsters. Careful, car's coming.